Welcome to Valorant. Ready to showcase your skills? Let's explore how to unlock ranked mode efficiently. First, you need to reach level 20 in unrated matches. This is essential to prove your skills. Focus on improving your mechanics now. Headshots and skill usage will dramatically increase your chances of winning. Use the practice range. Hone your aiming and abilities in this controlled environment to elevate your performance. After reaching level 20, log into Ranked. Here's where the real challenge begins. Don't forget, each match counts. Stay positive and enjoy the competitive thrill. Communication is key. Use voice or text chat to strategize with your team. Stay aware of your surroundings. Map knowledge is essential to dominate your foes. Play with friends. Team synergy can be your key to victory in ranked matches. Always adapt and learn. Review your games to improve and avoid past mistakes. Finally, enjoy the game. Winning is great, but fun is just as important. Now gear up and unlock that ranked Valorant mode. See you on the battlefield.